Hello friends and welcome to our channel NutureMite, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. We are going to tell you about the benefits of sweet potato. Before we proceed further, I'd request you to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more interesting videos and their notifications, which will boost us to do more videos.
If you want to dislike our videos, first see all our videos and then tell the reason to dislike so we can improve in our next videos. Let's proceed further.
Sweet potato. Scientific name of sweet potatoes is Ipomoea batatas. They belong to the morning glory family. Sweet potatoes are root tubers. They are starchy, sweet-tasting vegetables. The health benefits of sweet potatoes include their ability to help in healthy weight gain, boost immunity, regulate digestion, treat asthma and bronchitis, and control diabetes. Sweet potatoes also help in treating stomach ulcers and relieving arthritis pain. They keep your heart healthy. Sweet potato lowers LDL cholesterol as it contains high fiber, which reduces the risk of cardiovascular health. Sweet potatoes are also high in potassium, which works in balance with sodium in your body to maintain healthy blood pressure. They are also high in copper, an essential metal for making red blood cells and keeping your heart healthy. Low levels of copper have been linked to dangerously high homocysteine, blood pressure, and LDL cholesterol levels. They help stabilize blood sugar. Sweet potato contains fiber and complex carbohydrates, which makes your blood sugar levels stable and makes you feel full longer. It also reduces the risk of type 2 diabetes. They can help ease stress and anxiety. Sweet potato contains magnesium, which play a role in calming the brain and reduces stress and anxiety, making you calm and relaxed. Inflammation. Sweet potato contains chlorine, which helps with sleep, muscle movement, learning, and memory. Choline also helps to maintain the structure of cellular membranes, aids in the transmission of nerve impulses, assists in the absorption of fat, and reduces chronic inflammation and free radicals. Promote gut health. Sweet potato contains fiber and antioxidants, which provide gut-related health benefits. It also supports regular bowel movements and lowers the risk of colon cancer. Sweet potato provides better gut health and lower the risk of conditions like irritable bowel syndrome (IBS) and infectious diarrhea. May have cancer-fighting properties. Sweet potato contains lots of antioxidants, which reduces the risk of various cancer like bladder, colon, stomach, and breast cancer. Support healthy vision. Sweet potato contains beta-carotene, which supports eye health and healthy vision. May enhance brain function. Sweet potato is anthocyanin rich, which supports brain health and improves brain function. It also lowers the risk of dementia. May support your immune system. Sweet potatoes contain vitamin A, which support gut and boost immune system. They can help boost fertility. Sweet potatoes are a rich source of iron and vitamin A, which supports fertility. They have anti-inflammatory effects. Eating sweet potatoes may also help reduce inflammation. This is chiefly due to their high levels of beta-carotene, vitamin C, and magnesium. Their abundance of antioxidants doesn't hurt here either. One of the particular antioxidants that found most abundantly in purple sweet potato flesh is cyanidin. Cyanidin has been linked to reducing inflammation, especially in the digestive tract. Promote weight gain. Sweet potato contains vitamins, minerals, and proteins. They provide energy and are easy to digest, thus promoting a healthy weight gain. Asthma-friendly food. Sweet potato contains antioxidants and has less probability of getting allergic reaction. So, it is beneficial in consuming when one is suffering from asthma. Treat bronchitis. Sweet potatoes contain vitamin C, iron, that help to cure bronchitis, reduce arthritis pain, beta-carotene, magnesium, zinc, and vitamin B complex make sweet potatoes a highly important food source for managing arthritis. The water in the tuberous vegetables are boiled and also be applied externally on joint to ease the associated pain of arthritis. Treat stomach ulcers. Sweet potatoes are high in vitamin C, which reduce the risk of stomach ulcers. It also prevents consumption and inflammation around the ulcers as it contains roughage. Prevent dehydration. The fiber or roughage present in sweet potatoes helps the body retain water. This maintains water balance in the body, keeping you hydrated and the cells functioning efficiently. Ways to use sweet potato. Sweet potatoes can be enjoyed with or without the skin and can be baked, boiled, roasted, fried, steamed, or pan-cooked. Their natural sweetness pairs well with many different seasonings, and they can be enjoyed in both savory and sweet dishes. Some popular ways to enjoy sweet potatoes include sweet potato chips, peeled, thinly sliced, or baked and fried. Sweet potato fries, peeled, cut into veggies or matchsticks and baked or fried. Sweet potato toast, cut into thin slices, toasted and topped with ingredients like nut butter or avocado. Mashed sweet potatoes, peeled, boiled, and mashed with milk and seasoning. Baked sweet potatoes, baked whole in the oven until fork tender. Sweet potato hash, peeled, diced, and cooked with onion in a pan. Spiralized sweet potatoes, cut into spirals, sautéed and sauced. In baked goods, sweet potato puree adds moisture without fat. How to buy and store sweet potatoes. When you pick one up, take a close look at its skin. No, you don't have to pack your magnifying glasses. It should be all the mostly same color without visible signs of decay or cracking. Give it a squeeze. You don't want your sweet potato to be squishy anywhere, as this could indicate rotting. When you get your sweet potatoes home, make them a nice place to rest in a basket or your countertop or pantry. You should keep them dry and cool, room temperature, not refrigerated. Typically, you should use sweet potatoes within a few weeks of purchase. Uses of sweet potato. Helps to improve skin texture. Boil the sweet potato for a few minutes. Once done with the boiling, preserve the boiled water and pour it into a bottle. Store it in the refrigerator and allow it to cool. You can then use this water as a toner for skin. This organic toner will help you get rid of impurities. It also deep cleanses the skin pores to a great extent. Reduces oily skin. Boil the sweet potato and mash it thoroughly. Once you are done with the mashing, add a tablespoon of organic honey to it. Apply this mixture on your face and wash after a few minutes. Lightens dark circles and eye puffiness. Sweet potato is rich in anthocyanin, which helps in healing the dark circles and eye puffiness. All you need to do is to take your sweet starch and cut 2 slices from the same. Place them on your eyes for a while and let it work. Acts as a moisturizer. Take half a cup of boiled sweet potatoes, 1 tablespoon yogurt and 1 tablespoon oats. Then start blending them to form a solid paste. Use this paste on your skin and scrub it slowly. Wash your face once done with warm water, and you can feel your skin moisturized. Safety profile. People who are taking beta blockers for heart disease are not advised to consume sweet potato, as it can cause potassium levels to increase in the blood. Sweet potato contains high potassium levels also, so it is not advised for people whose kidneys do not function properly. Fun facts on sweet potato. Sweet potatoes may help maintain a healthy blood pressure and protect against cancer. The high fiber content of sweet potatoes help prevent constipation. One medium baked sweet potato with skin contains just 103 calories. The fastest way to prepare a sweet potato is in the microwave. Although there is much confusion, sweet potatoes are not related to yams. Sweet potato roots are harvested 90 to 120 days after transplanting. North Carolina's official vegetable is the sweet potato. February is the National Sweet Potato Month.